Bedford, Ohio. We're at Nutek Machinery. Very casual day, just working on our machines. The hot edgebander, we're setting up to do 5-piece doors. We started off by cutting some narrow parts over on our CNC. And you can see these are 60 millimeters wide by 400 millimeters. We got these out, tested. We're going to run them through the edgebander, and what we're going to do, we're going to glue on the strip and put the groove in for 5-piece door construction. We already have our program written for narrow parts grooved. We're going to put them through. As you can see, we have a perfect finish on our narrow parts edge. We're using PUR glue, and we have the groove cut for 5-piece doors. We're excited to have our machine set up for 5-piece doors and get the type of quality that we get off the odd edgebander. 100% of the odd edgebanders we've brought into the country since 2021 are running PUR glue. There's a good reason for that, because no system is designed like the odd system for running PUR. Everyone will tell you they can run PUR, but the question is it practical? How easy is it to run on their machines? How much glue do you waste? We're going to show you the odd system down at IWF this year in August. We're in booth B5010, and we're going to live fact check all the other manufacturers. We're going to show you parts that they cannot produce on their machines. You don't have to wait till then. You can come join us here in Bedford, Ohio before then for our live demos of our edgebanders, our CNCs. We're looking forward to seeing you in August. If you want to come in here before then, give us a call, 216-904-0215, and you can produce narrow parts for doors just like this.